like all the forefathers have been complaining and shouting about, is the caste system. Everyone will agree that we'll have to dispense off with it.
No, but just security of our children. In fact, we are scared of too much of freedom. So, to imagine that the middle class is going to become the defenders of freedom is a long shot,
No, I don't agree too, because that's Pavlov's theory at work. You ring the bell and feed, and every time you ring the bell, you're hungry.
Take 30 seconds. Forget about the middle class. China has nearly 500,000 small, medium, and big protests and disruptions every year. They have a huge machinery. It's the only country in the world that has a larger internal enforcement police mechanism than it has an army to fight external enemies. That kind of repression can lead to a comfort situation, but I don't think we can compare Indian or any other situation.
I agree with Shoma on that. It is in their best interest to have the freedoms that they need, their mothers and daughters have to be safe, etc. But I don't think they're concerned about what's happening in other parts of the country. Those people's movements never appear in front of the Prime Minister's residence, so they don't have the same efficacy as this particular one did, not to undermine it by any point. But Shoma, to get to your question about artists. Everywhere in the world, artists provoke, incite, ask, questions are raised by a film you see, by a piece of dance you look at, and that starts a debate. There is outrage, there are people who start talking. But all of that, Shoma, can only happen in a society where first that piece is allowed to be displayed, where first that piece is allowed to be put up. To fight for that piece is a fight that all artists quietly walked away from, I would say about 15 or 20 years ago. And it was done in a very silent kind of, look, I'm an artist, I'm busy sculpting, please don't disturb me kind of way. But that very sculptor today has just narrowed. You see that his work has become narrower and narrower and safer and safer.
Of course, recently you have kind of faced a lot of difficulties releasing your film. Today in this discussion, did you see some solution coming out, or you feel that filmmakers, artists should now, try and curb their freedom of expression and
no, you've said all the answers. So do you have a question? Okay, now one correction in your question. It's not recently. It's not just Kamal Hassan. It's been happening over and over to not only me, to other people. Let me not make it into an individual experience alone. It has to be a collective experience, and as Mr. Bhatt said, it has to be a national social experience, and you must be angered as I am. You don't have to suffer the same indignity or loss of money to make you understand.
सर आप दोनों का रिएक्शन जानना चाहूँगी कि जैसे सेंसर बोर्ड ने अब ए सर्टिफिकेट दिया है आइटम नंबर्स को कि अगर 18 इयर्स के कम बच्चे हैं वो प्राइम टाइम पर आइटम नंबर्स नहीं देख सकते.
No, this thing about item number and all that, a repressed adult society seeks these kind of entertainment, and you give it to them. There was a censor board chairman, Mr. Goldie Anand, who said, allow X-rated films. He was removed from the job. But then what is happening is, since we're not allowing it, it's slowly, cleverly subverted and interpolated into a film that our children see.